Welcome to Yoga by Inish. Today's sequence is to help you awaken your body and mind and create spaciousness through a flow of postures focused on mobility for the whole body and more specifically for the hips. So let's start. Stand at one end of your mat in Tadasana. So feet apart at the width of the hips, extend the arms down by your side and lengthen the spine towards the top of the head. Now inhale and lift the arms up in Urdhva Hastasana. Use the arms to stretch the spine and the sides of the body. At the same time, ground your feet down and keep your legs strong. Open the arms to the side and release them down by your sides. Again, inhale, lift the arms up. Lift the center of the chest up. Keep the tailbone into the body. Keep extending. Watch that you're not pushing the thighs or the pelvis forwards. And then open the arms out to the side and release the arms down by your side. 2 more times. Inhale. Extend. Lift. Keep the thighs strong. Lengthen the lower back, the waist, but keep the shoulders relaxed. Open the arms out to the side and come down to Tadasana. Last time, lift the arms up, inhale. Keep extending and lifting, creating space, breathing. Open the arms to the side and release them down. This time, lift the arms through the sides towards Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale, extend. Open the arms out and release your head down and your hands to the mat, to Uttanasana. As you release your spine down, keep the legs strong, keep the thighs activated and pulling up your kneecaps and release the weight of your head down. And then come up, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, and release the arms by your side, Tadasana. Again, inhale, lift the arms up. Ground the feet down and lift the wrists as high as you can to fully extend the body and the spine. And then open the arms to the sides and release the head down. So the pelvis is the highest point of the posture. From there, you release the spine down. Widen the elbows, widen the shoulders, keep space for your neck to lengthen as well. And especially release your brain. Inhale, look forwards. Come up, Urdhva Hastasana. And release the arms down by your sides. One more time, lift the arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, come down, Uttanasana. But this time, grab the ankles with your hands. And use your arms to help you lengthen a bit more your spine along the thighs. And to release your head and bring the back of the ribs closer to the legs. Keeping a steady breath and a soft belly. Come up, inhale. Exhale, release the arms by your side. Last time, inhale, lift the arms up. Release the arms down, Uttanasana. Grab behind the ankles with your hands. Keep lifting the kneecaps up and the thighs up and the femurs up. But at the same time, releasing the spine down, the head down, and releasing the mind. Inhale, extend the chest forwards. Keep the legs strong. Lift the spine up and the arms in Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, release the arms down by your sides in Tadasana. And again, lift the arms up, inhale. Exhale, release the head down, Uttanasana. Extend the chest forwards, inhale. Place your hands on the ground and take a big step with your right leg backwards. Release the knee to the mat. Keep the pelvis moving down and forwards and lift the arms up in Urdhva Hastasana. Lift the pubic bone towards the navel and use the arms to lengthen the spine. Bring the hands down to the mat and step the left foot back into Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward dog. Give a good stretch to your arms and spine, lift the pelvis high up and press your thighs back to bring the body weight towards your feet. Step the right foot forward now between your hands. Release the left knee down. Keep the pelvis moving down and forwards and lift the arms up towards the sky. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Allow the front of the left hip to open. And then release the hands on the mat. Extend the back leg and step your right foot back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift the pelvis high up, open the backs of the legs and try to bring the weight back onto your heels. Now step the right foot forwards, the left foot forwards. Release the spine down in Uttanasana. Extend the chest forwards, come up, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Release the arms by your side, Tadasana. And again, lift the arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, release the head down, Uttanasana. Extend the chest forwards, inhale. Hands to the ground, big step, this time with the left leg. Release the left knee down on the mat. Keep the pelvis moving down and forwards and lift the arms up. Allow the pelvis to go deeper this time. And then release the hands on the mat, extend the back leg and take a big step with the right foot back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Big step with the left foot forwards. Release the right knee down. Keep the pelvis down as you lift the arms up. Try to go deeper in the opening of the right hip. Lift the arms up, inhale. Exhale, release the hands down and step the leg backwards into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a full cycle of breath here. Now step the left foot forwards, right foot forwards, release the head down, Uttanasana. Extend the chest forwards, inhale, lift the arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Release the arms by your side, Tadasana. Let's prepare for a new cycle here. Lift the arms up, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, release the head down, Uttanasana. Extend the chest forward, inhale. Release the hands on the mat, big step with the right leg. The left leg follows, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a nice deep inhale and exhale here as you lengthen the spine and open the backs of the legs. And now get ready to bring the right foot on its side edge towards the left wrist and try to sit the pelvis on the mat, square to the front of the mat. Tighter hips will need some support under the right buttocks or bringing the right foot back closer to the left hip. Take the time to adjust this posture to your own needs. It's a great posture to open the pelvis, but it can be quite tough for the hips. And then you can stay upright, or if and when you are ready, you can move your hands forwards and extend the torso forwards, away from the pelvis. Always try and bring the left hip closer to the mat, as much as you can. Breathe gently and let go of the tensions on the right glute. Slowly walk your hands back to come up, and then tuck the toes of the back foot under. Press the right foot towards the mat, lift the pelvis up, and step the right foot back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a deep inhale and exhale, and then let's go for the other side. Left foot towards the right wrist, release the knee down, and slowly lower the pelvis down. Lengthen the toes of the back leg, and try to square the pelvis towards the front of the mat and bring the right hip down towards the mat. Use support under the left hip if needed, and then you can choose to stay here or slowly walk your hands forwards and extend the torso along the mat. Keep in mind that the right hip wants to come up, so try to release it down towards the mat as you release the tensions on the left buttocks. Breathe gently and softly. And when you're ready, walk your hands back. Bring the torso up. Tuck the right toes under. Press the left foot on the mat. Lift the pelvis and step the foot back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a full cycle of breath. And then step the left foot forwards, the right foot forwards, full Uttanasana. Extend the chest forwards, inhale, come up, Urdhva Hastasana. And release the arms by your side, Tadasana. Last time, bring the arms up, inhale. Exhale, release the head down, Uttanasana. Inhale, look forwards, and this time step with the left leg first, then right leg into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a nice big stretch to the spine and feel the difference of your Adho Mukha Svanasana now and in the beginning of the class. Now look forwards, bend your knees, and jump forwards into a cross-legged position. You can step forwards as well, if that feels better for you. And then place the hands by your hips, lift the chest up, and slowly start to walk the hands forwards into Adho Mukha Sukhasana. Think more of lengthening the spine away from the pelvis than actually to bring your head down to the mat. Allow the hips to soften and the tension around the glutes to let go. Then walk the hands back. Place the hands on the ground in front of you and then jump into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Or just step the feet back. Take a full cycle of breath. Look forwards, bend the knees and change the cross of the legs. Stretch well the spine, lift the center of the chest up, and then walk your hands forwards. Breathe into those muscles around the hips and let go of those tensions as much as you can. Soften the belly, the neck, the shoulders, and the face as you do so. And then walk your hands back. Now bring your hands to the ground in front of you and jump back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. And take a breath here. Now this time look forwards and jump with the feet towards the hands, slightly apart and slightly turned out. Release the pelvis down, lift the chest up, and you can place the elbows against your inner knees and the palms of the hands together in front of your chest to create a better opening through the hips. And breathe deeply as you allow the hips to release. Bring the hands down to the mat and jump back into Adho Mukha Svanasana once again. Take a breather there. And this time look forwards and jump with the feet together towards the hands into Uttanasana. And then squat down, allow the pelvis to release down, allow the knees to widen even though the feet are together. Release the hips down. And then walk your hands forwards to stretch the spine forwards without lifting the pelvis up. So the pelvis releases down, it's not sitting on the mat, but releases down, and the spine is extending forwards. This is a great posture to mobilize the ankles, knees, hips, to open the soles of the feet, and to stretch the lower back. Now start to come up, bring the knees together, and lift the heels off the mat. And then from here, lift the arms up and try to balance on your toes as you stretch the spine and the arms up in Urdhva Hastasana. Then turn to the right and hook your left arm on the outside of the right knee. Keep the knees together and bring the heels back down to the mat. You can use the right hand behind you to help you balance while you extend the spine up towards the head and twist to the right. Come back to the center, lift the arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Turn to the left and hook your right arm on the outside of your left knee. Bring the heels down to the mat. Lengthen the spine all the way to the head and twist the torso to the left. Come up to the center, lift the arms up, Urdhva Hastasana, and then bring the hands to the mat and roll the spine down on the mat. Bring the knees to the chest and hold the knees. Take a couple of deep, full inhales and exhales. And of course, you're welcome to do a Shavasana from here, but because the rain has started, I'm going to finish the class here. So come up if you're ready to finish the class. Find a comfortable sitting position and bring the hands together in front of your chest. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Hope you enjoyed this practice, and I hope to see you soon. Please, before you go, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe button, as it helps me continue with my work and bring yoga to you guys. From my heart to yours, thank you.